YouTube family, it's Denise, aka Love for My Curls here, back with another video. So, as I always say at the start of my video, welcome to my channel. My channel is dedicated to my curly hair journey, the products that I like to use, and as I always say, I might incorporate some other topics along the way, but it's mainly to do with my curly hair journey and the products that I just use as part of my curly hair routine. So thank you to all my new subscribers, my current subscribers, and all my new viewers, wherever you're watching today. Thank you so much. So I've talked about a number of different products. And I was thinking about, what topic would I like to talk about today? So because I recently had my hair recolored, I know the importance of really deep conditioning your hair, making sure that your hair is in the healthiest state it can be. And I know from watching different videos and my own experience as well, is deep conditioning is so important for your hair. So I don't know where I came across this on YouTube, but I just started doing a little bit of research on deep conditioners, and Dominican Republic, in terms of their deep conditioners, came up quite a bit. So the Dominican kind of hair product lines. And I was doing some research and I was thinking, which one would I like to try from, one of these lines? I know that there's a line called silicone mix, but I was a little bit like, maybe it might be too heavy with the silicone. So I thought I'd go for this one actually, which kind of ties in with what I'm trying to achieve for my hair, which is, to kind of keep it healthy and strong. And this was recommended on one of the channels that I was watching, and I cannot pronounce this very well because I know it's obviously pronounced in a certain way, but I'm just going to pronounce it the way that I read it, which is the Emergencia volume control and softening deep actin treatment, which looks like this. Yes, it looks like this. Yeah, so I saw a lot of reviews about this treatment, actually, how good it is, how it really makes a instant difference to your hair after applying it, and I really like the kind of after effects really of using this treatment. So I'll probably insert a clip now of me using the product. So I'm just going to show you now how I use the treatment. I've just literally washed my hair with, what did I actually wash it with? Olaplex clarifying shampoo, which I definitely will do a review on at some point. And also the As I Am strengthening shampoo, but again, I'll come to that. So yeah, so obviously we just got the treatment here, which looks like this, and I just can't get over the colour, seriously. I cannot get over this colour. I love it. So how I like to add my treatments is that I like to divide my hair up into at least 4 sections. And I have detangled my hair with the shampoo, just finger detangled it, so it should be easier hopefully, but we'll see. So I just take quite a bit. I'm not saying you need this much, but this is how much I like to use. Rub it in my hands, and then I just add it, and I can just immediately feel the softness on my hair. This feels so good, so good. Yeah, so, and then I use this brush, which is by Rizzo Curls. Yeah, so it's like a flex brush. It's quite nice. So yeah, so I literally just, along with my hands as well, I literally just glide it through there. So as you can see, it's starting to go through my hair nicely. Yeah, so I really didn't feel like that was much of a struggle, to be honest with you. That felt nice. And then I just go on to the other sections. So just again, just use quite a bit. just literally just rub it in there, just make sure I get it all in there, even just add a little bit more. So yeah, and again I just use my brush just to get it all detangled. Yeah, like that. And what I like about this brush is that it just doesn't pull your hair, because it kind of flexes, as you can see, it kind of flexes. So yeah, it's quite nice. So it doesn't like tug on your hair. So it does work pretty well. Yeah, so that's what I like to do. And yeah, so then I'll just do the same on the other side, and then I will use my plastic cap, which is, I just get the disposable ones from Amazon, which I obviously take apart, and then it becomes a, or pull apart, and then it becomes a plastic cap. And then I'll use my hot head, which looks like this. I think I featured it in one of my other videos as well. So I just kind of leave it on for about 30 minutes, maybe between 30 minutes and 45 minutes. I mean, it does actually say you can leave it in for 3 to 4 minutes, but it's a deep conditioner. I like to leave it on for a lot longer than that. So yeah, so this is the deep conditioner, and yeah, it's really nice. It feels really good. All right, bye. So yeah, so as you can see, you know, I found it very easy to use. It just, you know, was just gliding through my hair. I'm just going to show you actually how it looks. It looks like this. So it is so green. Oh my gosh, it is so green. And the smell is just fragrant. It just, oh, I can't even, it just smells sweet, but like not overly sweet, just like a nice, oh, just like a nice kind of sweet smell. And in terms of the ingredients, which I think this is why it's the green color, is the first ingredient is water, and then avocado oil. So avocado oil is the second on the product list. So that's really good. Sorry, in terms of the ingredients list. And then we've got olive oil, hydrolyzed collagen. It has got some mineral oils in it though. So if you're not a fan of mineral oils, you might not like this, but I was just seeing so many good reviews about this, how it's quite popular in Dominican Republic, and I just had to get my hands on it, had to try it. And I really like it. It also says for very dry, rebellious hair, enhanced with olive and avocado organic oils. So in terms of the texture, it's quite thick, but not overly thick. I would say kind of like medium thick. I definitely think I've got some thicker deep conditioners, like the Azure one that I was speaking about in my last video. But this one is a really nice consistency. It really glides through the hair. It really made my hair feel really soft, manageable, not greasy, not heavy. It felt very conditioned afterwards, really. It just felt stronger. It felt really nice. And I can tell when I apply some deep conditioner, sometimes there's a struggle when I use it, in terms of I can't really detangle my hair very well. It doesn't glide through my hair very well, but this one was very easy to use, very easy. I actually got it on Amazon.com. I couldn't actually get it in the UK, so I used obviously the US site, and it retailed for about it was between about £8 and £15. But obviously when I convert it into pounds, because I saw it in dollars. So yeah, so it was really easy, obviously delivery wise, because it's Amazon. And yeah, I was so excited to try it, and I really like the results. I definitely will be using it again, probably in my next wash day routine as well as the one that I've just done. And yeah, it's really nice. I just love the color. Like I'm just fascinated by how green it is. It just really makes me feel as though, yes, it's got some good amount of avocado in there, you know. So it really worked really well. I really liked it. So I can definitely understand the hype around this treatment and why so many people love it so much. So I'm definitely glad I got my hands on it. There is more in this range as well. They've got a shampoo and conditioner in the line as well as a leave-in conditioner. I was going to try the whole range, but I thought to myself, and I think include the mask as well, but I thought to myself, let me at least try the mask. And if I really like the mask, then I might want to try their other products as well. So I might try the other range, the other products, sorry, in this range. But no, I really recommend this. This is good. And in terms of the amount that you get as well, you get 16 fluid ounces. I mean, this will last you. And obviously, if you need to build that strength back in your hair, add the moisture back in, you've really damaged your hair, and this has got some good stuff in it. Again, it's got the mineral oils, but I like the fact that avocado is very high up there, as well as the olive oil as well. As I said, avocado oil being the second on the ingredients list, and the third being the olive oil. So I really like the fact that it's that high up, and I think that's why it did make my hair feel very nourished, and it just felt lovely. It felt lush. It really did. So yeah, so do let me know. I guess a question for everybody today is that, have you ever tried this product line? Have you tried this treatment? And if you have you found it? Or is there any other products that you would recommend for damaged hair, whether that be a treatment or anything else? Do include it in the comments section below. But thank you so much once again for joining me today, as part of my curly hair journey. And do let me know if you have any questions, any recommendations for future videos, and I'll definitely bear that in mind. So again, thank you so much, and wherever you're based, have a lovely day. Signing out. Love from my curls. All the best. Bye bye.